in that shit.
Y'all here so I can show you cars off?
Yeah.
Why would I be mad about it?
Yes, sir. We're back. This might be part 2 of another. This might be part 2 from the first video, or it might be a whole separate video. It might be one video. We don't know, but this is a whole separate video, man. Y'all see the scene, man. See where we at, man. Where everybody pulling up. Last video, or maybe the same video, we was all at the track. So now we're kind of at one of our spots, man. Out here where we had haul day. So we all pulled up here. Pretty much a MOPAR takeover. That's how it happens, man. Lane haul, Charlotte exclusive. Everybody's pulled up out here, man, and we're still getting from the tracks. People still pulling in. You see Scat Pack Zach. You see Knockout pulling up. You see we all out here from the scene, man. See the scene, man. My man out here getting that content, man. Y'all make sure y'all check him out. Y'all make sure y'all check him out.
Great White TV on YouTube. Great White _392 on Instagram. Check me out. Like, follow, and subscribe.
Hey, I'm gonna leave y'all no excuse. I'm gonna put the name right down here. Y'all ain't got no excuse to go follow my man right here, man. Y'all go support him, man. Yes, sir. Let me see, man. We all pulling up. We all out here chilling. Calm before the storm, cause you know when we all get together, you already know what's gonna happen. Oh shit, Knockout about killed your boy. I'm gonna kill your boy. I got insurance though, I ain't gonna have to use it. It's all good. It's all good out here. All right, man, we've been out here 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Somebody got to step out on the dance floor. Okay, I know a lot of y'all gonna watch the video be talking about, man, his only one tire spinning. He is gonna get a dip. He's gonna get one. He's gonna get a dip, people, so everybody chill out. He's getting a differential. He's gonna get one. He's been looking into it. He's gonna get one. I've been talking to him about it. That boy got scared, I ain't gonna lie. big time deep. Also, we got this white pickup truck sitting. I don't know if y'all can see it sitting right there. So I don't know how much longer we got out here, but he either watching the show or he's snitching. Ain't no in between. So he looking at us, we looking at him. He looking at us. You know what I mean? See everybody pulled up big head. Some Mustangs. What's that? Oh. MOPAR takeover anymore. Now we got Camaros, got Mercedes out here, we got a BMW, Mustang. Man, that's a Kia down there. If y'all see, this is a Kia right down there. Clean yellow. Cat back there. No, the red I think. Redeye. were chilling for a little bit just because we saw the first cop roll by, and here's the second one with the SUV. So we're gonna see what's about to happen, man. And I think party might be over. This one might be over. Let's see what happens. He's walking over here. So
hey, tell me out here watching the drone fly. That's what we out here doing.
now, Loda, y'all, I don't know if y'all see this, but he just posted up like he's watching too, because we got police. I don't know if y'all see him. He's sitting right there. He's not doing nothing. He ain't said nothing to anybody.
Videotape cars and see what he's talking about.
All right, I'm gonna walk over there with you. I just want to.
We'll start over here.
Yeah. All right. Yes, I'm over here with Hellcat. So we about to just walk around, videotape some cars. We're gonna see what the cop does, because y'all can see him now.
The lightest color folks here. So
yeah, I'm with you.
We don't make it try to happen. Let's act like we recording cars.
Yeah, so the cop is literally, I can see he's posted up right there. Like he's just chilling, like he's setting up things. Like, so we're out here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Redeye. This is 392 that was going crazy. Oh yeah.
So it must be their club.
Must be. Is that Shake the Block? Hold up. Yeah, Shake the Block.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, you can see it. You can see the SD. Yeah, Shake the Block. Yeah, they came up, but it came down, I should say. They not a Raleigh or something like that.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, they came. They made the drive down here. Got Street Kings, Mayhem Mafia. I'm telling you, everybody came out here, man.
Turbo Kia over here.
And the Kia.
Tacoma. Oh, and the Explorer.
I mean, let's see. Let's sneak up on him, see what he's talking about.
You talking, all right?
They're talking to him, so we're gonna sneak up on him, see what they're talking about. I'm gonna put the camera down. We'll keep it rolling though. What?
Send that shit. He said send that shit. He said send that shit.
Yo, we have a revelation, guys. So
Revelation.
we have a revelation.
What just happened?
Oh, guys, that's a first. That is a first.
Write no tickets, right? Okay, we got that on footage. You ain't writing no tickets.
Bro, you are, you all right in my book, for real.
Y'all here fucking show you cars off.
Yeah.
Why would I be mad about it?
For sure. He want to see something. We're about to show, bro. This is, I've been to many car meets. I've never, ever in my life ever heard that before. The cop said, I want to see something. Bro. Yeah. There we go. He said they want to see something, so we out here with it. Like, the thing the cop was like, we're not doing it in the middle road. We're in a parking lot. We're not out here stopping traffic or nothing like that, man. He said. So I'm just telling you, I've been to many car meets. I ain't never seen this before, bro. Look, the cop that was just over here, he's leaving. All he said, like we in a parking lot. We ain't stopping traffic. We ain't hurting nobody. We good. As y'all can tell, I had to switch to my phone because my GoPro dead. So going back to the roots. Trackshaker showed up. Redeye. Slide around cars. Oh shit. Oh. Yo. Alright guys, we're about to end this video. You can see, man. You can see all the tire marks that were left out here. Tire chunks, rubber, all that stuff out here, man. We're about to head out, man. It's been a pretty eventful day. Too eventful in some cases, man. I hope. Yeah. Again, man, last few meets I went to, man, people hit wrecking cars and stuff, man. That stuff has been wild. So, all the timers, man, you see the lineup. We are out of here, man. If y'all like the video, man, be happy, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff for your boy. We'll catch you on the next video. We're out. Cut it.